Does this figure have rotational symmetry? And if so, what is the least degree of rotation to map it back onto itself? Okay, so this figure, when we talk about rotational symmetry, we're talking about turning the figure. And as we're turning it, we're trying to imagine, would that figure ever line back up perfectly? And sometimes it's hard to imagine, so I went ahead and put a picture in here. Think about point A being on the top and point B being on the bottom. If you rotate this half of a turn, which is 180 degrees, notice how these two are the exact same. They would map back onto each other. So this one does have rotational symmetry at 180 degrees because it's half of a turn. If you only rotated it 90 degrees, I think you can probably imagine that it would look like this, and it's not what we want. It's not going to lie back on top of itself. So we would have to rotate it 180 degrees.